Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet halter top and crop top designs. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos, so friends, this video is very useful and helpful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave me good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related design. So friends, today's video is amazing. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in a next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer and bye.